Okay, I've taken videos of giant heads before, and I have a giant head that here in Montana that I went to the eye, and it was pointed out to me, and I pulled where the eyeball was, I pulled it out. It was a little bit softer ground, and it was crystal, just like this here. The eye portion of this giant head that I noticed from the road. There's its mouth right there, and then that would be its eye, skull. It's very big, very large, probably 5 foot across the head. Well, yeah, right at the eyeball. It's crystal. I wouldn't believe it either if you pointed it out to me, but I've got two of the exact same coincidences. There it is. And then there's the other giant man head. There's his left eye. He's laying on his back. There's right eye. Something sticking out of his head. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to further inspect it. But and then his mouth region would be right there. And he's laying down on his back, stuck in the mud. Mud fossil. Mud giant. During the time of the flood. I believe all this stuff is. I just gotta pinpoint it. And then we got the ringing rocks right over there. Crazy clouds today. Huh. Wow. Pretty crazy. Thanks again. Hope you enjoy the video. Huh. Pretty wild. That looks like a buffalo. It's got like a beak on it. Petrified. Wow. That's cool. That looks like a hand. Holy. Wow. That looks like a claw. This is absolutely insane here. That definitely looks like claws. And when you get closer, it don't look like much. Wow. Huh. That's crazy. Just gotta think on the scale of being petrified, and then it all looks a little different. I don't know. That's wild. Huh. Alright. Time to get going. See what else we can find. Wow. That is crazy looking. It's a game changer. Wow, that's crazy. Cool. Alright, I'm going. Got motorcycles coming. Feel like I'm doing something illegal, how crazy this all looks. Dirt bikers coming through. There we go. Huh. That's wild. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.